Guys, gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo to make you understand, make you see na legitimate talaga itong negosyo natin sa Ultimate Cycler. I had here the video of the owner of Ultimate Cycler, si Peter Wolfing, endorsing the business sa ating mga Pilipino. No? Huwag na kayong atubili kasama. Kasi itong negosyo nito talagang legitimate. It's backed up by a 15-year internet giant. No? Hindi siya pitsugin na kumpanya at hindi siya pipitsugin na opportunity. Imagine niyo na $25 out of your $25 one time, pwede kayong kumita ng $25 paulit-ulit. And even you can even upgrade to $50, $100, $200, $400, $800. In fact, you can earn a total of 200,000 repeatedly. Paulit-ulit, pwede mo kitain ang 200,000. I can teach you how to do it. I'm starting to build my team. Sinishare ko na sa kanila yung sistema, and I'd like to have you on the team. So, huwag na po kayong mag-atubili. At least, silipin nyo lang. And then, saka kayo mag-decide based on the information na makikita ninyo. You make an intelligent decision, sabi nga. So, ulit, I'm extending my invitation sa inyong lahat. Visit our website. Nandyan po ang link somewhere. At see you on the other side. Awet.